Hello everyone, hope you all fine. So today we will start with the new topic, that is the tribal communities in India and colonial policies and tribes. So we'll start with very first part of this topic. So first we'll introduce about it and introduce about the culture of the Adivasis. Basically, you must all know that India is a land of a grand culture. That's why our country is also known as the diverse country, and the fusion of people of diverse ethnic group migrate during different period. Basically जो ये ट्राइबल कम्युनिटीज़ और ट्राइबल पीपल्स जो होते हैं ये पर्टिकुलर डिफरेंट डिफरेंट पीरियड्स में डिफरेंट डिफरेंट एरियाज़ में सेटल्ड हो जाते हैं. ये पर्टिकुलर इनकी कोई परमानेंट सेटलमेंट नहीं होती. आज के टाइम पे अगर हम इन मॉडर्न टाइम की बात करें, फॉर ऑल सच कम्युनिटीज़ वी यूज़ द टर्म ट्राइबल्स और आदिवासी बोला जाता है इनको, या फिर ट्राइबल कम्युनिटी इस नाम से इनको बुलाया जाता है. बेसिकली दीज कम्युनिटीज़ हैड देयर ओन सिस्टम ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ जस्टिस बेसिकली, और वी कैन से दैट देयर गवर्नेंस सिस्टम इज देयर ओन, एंड द गवर्नमेंट सोशल पॉलिटिकल इंस्टीट्यूशन customs and practices and lifestyle, all they follow according to their tradition and culture. So here is the tribal way of life, how they live. In India basically there are approximately 67.7 million Adivasis, and this all term literally means the original people. These are the original peoples, or we can say that the inhabitants of the land. So basically most important source of tribal history are ballads and folklore. Basically they generally transfer something or their as their land or something else, so they use the ballads and a folklore. Basically it is a orally song and orally from the one generation to the another. Now what about the social economy and occupation of the tribal peoples or the societies. Basically if we talk about the pre-colonial era, अगर हम ये बात करें इस era की कि जब ब्रिटिश रूल नहीं आया था हमारी कंट्री में, तो ट्राइबल सोसाइटीज़ कैसे रहती थी. बेसिकली ये फॉरेस्ट और हिली एरियाज़ में रहती थी ट्राइबल कम्युनिटीज़, और and there is a tribal society did not have rigid social division akin to other communities, and basically all the tribal communities believed in equality, and they led their life like a nomadic lifestyle. Basically nomadic settlements or nomadic peoples are those peoples who never settle permanently in a particular area. Actually they migrate from one place to another for their livelihood, or we can say that the hunting animal and the gathering forest प्रोडक्ट वॉज देयर प्राइमरी ऑक्यूपेशन. सबसे पहला ऑक्यूपेशन जो इन लोगों का होता था वो या तो हंटिंग एनिमल्स होते थे या फिर फॉरेस्ट से फूड को कलेक्ट करना, गैदर करना. दैट वॉज देयर प्राइमरी ऑक्यूपेशंस. So here is the picture of Adivasis, as these Adivasis mostly do the zoom cultivation, or we can also say that the shifting cultivation. Actually shifting cultivation is also known as zoom cultivation. This picture shows you the Adivasis, that how Adivasis lifestyle. So if we talk about the other occupations of these peoples, we can say that some tribal groups did odd jobs, like if they are not interested in hunting animals and gathering forest food from the forest, so they do some other occupation like carrying load, construction road, working in the field of peasants also. And the tribal people mostly bartered their valuable forest produce for essential commodities, and at the last all at times they purchase goods from the traders. Sometimes they purchase goods from traders also. So it's all about the lifestyle of the tribal communities before, or we can say that pre-colonial era. So hope you all understood this concept. Thank you everyone. Hope you liked the video.